In this video, we will discuss about the last property of a material, that is transparency. So far we have covered different type of properties like appearance, hardness, soluble or insoluble, float or thin. So let's discuss about transparency. You might have played the game of hide and seek in your childhood. Think of some places where you would like to hide so that you are not seen by other people. Why did you choose those places for hide? Would you have tried to hide behind a glass window or mirror? Obviously not, because your friends can see through that and easily spot you. Can you see through all the materials? Let's find out. Those substances or materials through which things can be seen easily without any trouble, that materials are known as transparent, like glass, water, air, and some plastics made things transparent. Shopkeepers usually prefer to keep biscuits, sweets, and other eatable things in transparent boxes, which is made of glass or plastic, so that buyers can easily see these items, can buy them. On the contrary, there are some materials through which you are not able to see. Those materials are called opaque in nature. For example, wooden box or a metal container, etc. There is third category also. The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly. Those materials are known as translucent. For example, oily patch on paper is an example for translucent. The objective of this video was to know about transparency of a material.